class. Be ready with the book. Okay. Can you see the screen? I should hear both of you little louder. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, Bhavya, why you are putting off your camera, dear? You just want to roam with your camera? Pay attention, both of you here. Now, angles. Have you studied angles in your fourth standard? You might have
Yes,
studied. Yes, no? So can you name which angles are there?
acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle.
Yeah, those angles are there. Right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. And how they form? How angles are formed? Can you tell me?
Teacher, their shape.
How angles are formed? भव्य, can you tell me कि angles कैसे form होते हैं?
Miss teacher has not taught.
Okay, not taught, but what knowledge you have? Can you tell me? Or else I'm going to teach you angles only, but just I want to know कि how much you
Obtuse
understand.
angle, right angle, and obtuse angle, right angle, and acute angle.
Acute angle. So how the angles are formed? Angles कैसे बनते हैं when there is a two lines and they meet at the one point, right? ये एक ही point से बनते हैं. They meet at which point? Only one point. So this is the formation of angle. When two lines meet at a one point, at a common point. Got it? How the angles form? Angle कैसे form होते हैं? Will you please explain me? Tell me.
Teacher, with their point. With their point.
Yeah, two lines. Yes, two lines form an angle, right, Ali? So two lines,
With their point.
yeah, meet at a common point. Only one point is there. So that is called angle. So angle are three types: acute, obtuse, and right angle. So and what image you can see here?
Teacher, acute angle.
Which no, yeah, you said it's a acute angle. Fine. Now I just want to see what can you see on the screen?
Yes, teacher, degree, clock degree.
Yeah, Ali, I told you speak in English, Ali. Please try to speak in English. Okay.
So I
So
can see a clock.
you can see a clock, right? So this clock, why I have taken this clock? I have taken this clock to show how the angles are formed, because we have seen that big needle, small needle, minute needle, hour needle, and second needle. Three needles are there in the clock. So how the angles form in this clock? Okay, so let's begin. Can you open the lesson in your textbook?
Yes, teacher.
So generally, first let me tell you the general thing, right? Then we will start with the class lesson. Now see, do you know what is the measurement of acute angle? Let's talk about the acute
Less
angle.
than 90 degrees.
Acute angle.
Acute angle का measurement less than 90 degrees.
Okay. Now see, acute angle, right angle,
Teacher, right angle is 90 degree.
Okay. See, right angle. First, we will see right angle क्या होता है. Right angle, the measurement of angle is what? 90 degree. जिसका भी 90 degree. Yeah. So 90 degree, if you measure an angle which is 90 degree and it look like this, so that is called as a right angle. Acute angle. Now this is see your right angle. ठीक है. जो भी 90 डिग्री से कम होगा ना, वो 90 डिग्री मतलब दैट कैन बी 88 है ना, 89 भी हो सकता है. सो दैट यू कैन टेल इट एज ए लेस देन 90 डिग्री. यू कैन से इट इज अ एक्यूट एंगल. जो 90 डिग्री से थोड़ा सा स्लैंट हो जाता है टूवर्ड्स डाउन, सो यू कैन से इट इज acute angle. And now obtuse angle. Now first form a right angle, and now can you see it is beyond the right angle. So jo more than 90 degree, so then you can say it is obtuse angle. मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा 91, 92, 95, 110, 120. So you can tell it as a it is a obtuse angle. And can you tell me which equipment is used to measure the angles? What?
Protector.
We are using protractor to measure angles, right? Whenever we will be having the next class, I will show you how to measure by using the protractor. Okay, that I have to show you on the board, right? So I will first I have to get the protractor. Right now I don't have the protractor. I will get it for you and I will show you how to place a protractor on a line and which side to be measured. Got it? So now let's see. So these are the acute, obtuse and right.
And these are all right angle.
Now, so both of you pay attention here and tell me which angle I have formed, and you have to tell me, ma'am, you have formed this angle, okay? Chalo. First, it's Bhavya's turn.
Okay, miss.
Which angle I have formed, Bhavya, here?
Miss, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Very good. Ali, you got it? How it is obtuse angle? Because
Yes, teacher.
it is more than 90 degree, right? Now it's Ali's turn. Come on, Ali. Which angle it is?
Teacher, right angle.
It is right angle because it's forming a 90 degree, right? Now next. Now both of you can answer me. Okay. Which angle?
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Okay. Now, Kedar, we have started with the angles. What we have started, Kedar, here?
Angles.
Angles. So you might have studied in your 4th standard about the angles, right? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
अभी तक हम लोग का एंगल सिखाए नहीं है.
Okay, we will discuss about your syllabus afterwards. Okay, right now as Ali having this in syllabus, but you both don't have. But please pay attention because next class you both have not yet given me your syllabus. You both of you submit your syllabus, send me your syllabus on WhatsApp, then I will start the lesson which you are having in your exam. Okay, केदार, आपने तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, ना आपने syllabus दिया है, ना आपने मुझे कोई homework send किया है. So this we will discuss after the class. Now we will do maths. So Kedar, there are three types of angles. One is जो अभी यहाँ पे होता है 90 degree, right? This angle we will call it as a right angle. Which angle जो 90 degree का होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Right angle. Which angle we are saying?
Right angle.
And which is less than, आप देख रहे हो ये थोड़ा ऐसे bend हुआ है, it is slanting, so it is less than 90 degree. So it is what? Less than 90 degree जो रहता है उसको बोलेंगे हम acute angle. और जो greater than 90 degree होगा, can you see? 90 degree से ज्यादा है, so which is greater than 90 degree, less than 90 degree and greater than 90 degree, जैसे 120 हुआ, 130 हुआ, ओके, 95 हुआ, तो ये सब क्या हो गए? ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल हो गए. और जो 90 होगा वो राइट एंगल होगा. जो 45, 30, 25 होगा, that will be you called it as a acute angle. So Kedar, are you there or still busy somewhere else? Come on Kedar, come here on your camera. So these are the angles. Kedar, आपको समझ में आया कितने एंगल्स है?
So 3 angles.
कौन कौन से हैं?
So right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle.
ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ओ ऑब्ट्यूस. ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल का मेजरमेंट कितना होता है?
90 डिग्री से ऊपर का.
90 डिग्री से ऊपर, राइट? राइट एंगल मेजरमेंट इज
90 degrees.
एंड एक्यूट एंगल मेजरमेंट इज
90 degrees के नीचे का.
नीचे का. सो ये आपको क्लियर हो गया, राइट? नाउ केदार, you have to tell me in this clock I am forming a angles. आपको बताना है कि ये कौन सा एंगल है, acute, obtuse और right angle. Because Ali and Bhavya, this concept is clear, only you are left to understand. So now you have to tell me Kedar, which angle is formed here? ये कौन सा एंगल है?
So acute angle.
Acute angle, right? Now one more. Abhi, now I can't hear you. Your mic is on mute.
So obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, because it is more than that. Now can you tell me this is which one? Now this one is
So 90 degrees.
90 degree. So the concept is clear about the angles, right? Yes, three of you. Let's see what is given in your textbook. Okay, now let's see in your textbook what it is given. Open your textbook.
Theta clocks. Many clocks.
Okay, wait. Wait, 1 minute. Same that way only it is given, right? Can you tell me what is the first?
Teacher क्या?
Wait, I am sharing your textbook.
The first is many clocks, and first is optic clock. Second is
clock nahi. Here we are talking about the angles. So clock कोई भी obtuse or acute नहीं होता है. Only the angles acute, obtuse and right angle. 1 minute. I'm sharing your book, so it will be better for us. 1 minute. Okay. Can you see the screen? Yes.
yes, teacher.
Now
Yes,
can you?
teacher.
Yeah. Can you see here? This is the right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. And you know the measurement of these angles, right? So now, can you tell me for what is given in first picture? Which angle is given there?
Teacher, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle is given. Okay. Obtuse angle it is.
Yes, teacher, obtuse.
Next. Kedar, tell me which angle is given here.
Acute angle.
Very good. Next. Bhavya. Angle, which angle is given?
Miss, right angle.
Okay. Next. Okay, Ali. Excuse me.
The obtuse angle.
Obtuse. Next. Kedar.
Sure. Right angle.
Very good, three of you. Very nice. Now, Bhavya.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Very good, three of you. Very nice. Now let's move the further. So this is general idea about the angles, right? The basic idea about the angles. Let's see. Now see, the components of angles, naming and angles. Means what things are there to make a angles. Teacher, Monu, what does the diagram given here show? So the diagram shows an angle. Yes, अगर ऐसा diagram दिया रहेगा तो what you will say? It is a angle. So angles को label कैसे करते हैं वो बताया है. Because two lines are there, so two lines we have to join here. Can you see A, B and B, C? This way we can name it as A, B, C. जैसे मैं कोई एंगल बना रही हूँ. Now look at here. ये मेरा एक एंगल है, right? Three of you, can you see here? Bhavya. Bhavya, tell your sister, give you a break so that you can pay attention here. Okay. So अभी तक हमने देखा right angle, obtuse angle and acute angle. But now we will see how to label the angles. Okay. So we can label like A, B and C. ये AB one line है, BC is the another line. So how we will write this angle ABC? And we are representing angles. ये देखो angle का symbol we are writing angle A, B, C. Okay. So whatever we are taking at the center, जो ये B रहेगा, हम लोग B का मेजरमेंट लेते हैं. अभी तुमको दिया गया एंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री. तो तुम लोग 80 डिग्री हाउ यू विल मेजर, वेयर यू विल कीप द प्रोटेक्टर. हम लोग फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ BC, we will keep the protector here and then we will measure 80 degree and we will join it. So it is 80 degree. So this way हम लोग कहाँ पे हमारा प्रोटेक्टर रखेंगे, because here angle B is given 80 degree. So where we will keep, यह B पे रख के हम लोग फिर वहां से मेजरमेंट शुरू करेंगे. And this I will show you in the next class. ठीक है? Now let's read what is given. So Monu, the diagram has two lines. Can you see the diagram has two lines, BA and BC?
Yes, yes.
Which is the common point between two lines? अभी इन दोनों का common point किधर है?
B.
Yeah. Yes. So these two lines join.
vertex है.
Yeah, B is called it as a vertex. मतलब एक corner है. Okay. The common point B is called as a vertex. So BA क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? BA और BC are the arm of the angles. Then sir, what is the name of angle? So ये angle का name क्या होएगा? So हम लोग उसको label करेंगे ABC. So the name of the angle is, ये angle का नाम क्या हुआ? ABC. Yeah.
ABC.
Yes. So while naming the angle, we say that angle ABC. कोई भी angle को हम अगर नाम लेते हैं, then you have to call it as a angle ABC. Sir, instead of angle ABC, can we say angle CBA? Yes, we can say that way also.
What is it?
No? Why no? I want idea. If you're saying no, then why no? Come, yes, Ali.
हम लोग ACB बना सकते हैं
हाँ.
और CBA बना सकते हैं.
CBA बना सकते हैं. तो इसने भी तो वही बोला है ना कि CBA, can we say angle CBA because B तो at the vertex ही है, B में तो कोई changes नहीं हो रहे, right Ali? तो हम लोग CBA बोल सकते हैं. Yes, we can call angle ABC, angle CBA, both are correct. क्योंकि B is at the center. The symbol कैसे लिखते हैं? What is the symbol for that? We are writing this angle form, right? So that is called the symbol of writing ABC. So कैसे? Sorry?
So your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Okay. So which way we are writing? We are writing angle ABC. Clear how to write angle ABC? Yes, three
Yes,
of you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, one by one, you have to tell me the answer. ठीक है? I start with first Kedar. Kedar, I explain you how it is mentioned over here and then you have to tell me कि मैम ये ऐसे लिखा है. अभी आपको यहाँ पे डायग्राम दिख रही है. Three of you, can you see the diagram? And
Yes.
angle PQR और angle RQP. Vertex मतलब क्या होता है? The center point, right? So it is given here. Arm of the angle मतलब जो दो lines होते हैं वो क्या हो गए? Arm of the angles. So now, can you see PQ and QR?
Yes, teacher.
Now it's Kedar's turn and he will tell me What should I write in the name of the angle?
LMNL.
Angle. See, this is the sign of writing angle. So angle L, M, N. Or angle, huh?
NML.
N, M, L. What is the vertex here? Vertex.
M.
M is the vertex. What are the arm?
LM and
M and NM, right?
L.
And MN. Okay. So very good, Kedar. Very nice. Bhavya, tell me the name of the angles.
Miss obtuse.
Okay, ये obtuse angle है. But how to name the angle? अभी यहाँ पे पूछ रहा नहीं है कि कौन से टाइप का एंगल है. वो एंगल का नाम क्या है?
SUT.
SUT. And how other way you can call it as? Angle
TUS.
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 What is the vertex?
U.
What is the arm?
SU
And
TU.
TU. Very good. Very nice. Now, next. Now look at here, three of you.
Miss, I have protector. Can I bring?
Yes, you bring and show me how you will measure. Okay, next class I will get it for you, protector, because I want to show you on the board. Okay. Now,
Okay. Miss, can I off
protect.
my video?
Huh. Ali, Kedar, where both of you have gone? Now protector.
टीचर मेरे पास प्रोटेक्टर है लेकिन अभी मैं किसी घर पे आया हूँ.
Okay, fine. Because next class I will explain you, okay? I will get protector for you and I will explain you how to measure by using a protector. Okay? Right now, let's see what are the uses of protector, how to measure angles by using a protector. A protector is a semicircular. Can you see it is half circle? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes.
it
Yes,
is
teacher.
half circle, right? Now, a protector is a semicircular in a shape. A semicircular edges of a protector is divided into 180 equal parts. इसमें कितने parts तक divide किया है? 180 parts.
180.
Yeah, see, Bhavya is showing the protector. So that is the protector which is used to measure angles. Okay, fine, Bhavya. Now each part is 1 degree and 1 degree is written like this. Can you see here? 0 degree, then 0 and then can you see the 10? Okay, 3 of you please pay attention. Can you see here 10? 0 के बाद में direct 10 है. So between that there are how many lines? Here you can see there are 10 lines. How many lines are there? 10 lines. अभी तो ओके, अभी जैसे यहाँ पर है, तुम्हें बोला है कि एंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू यू हैव टू ड्रॉ 70 डिग्री. अब तुम्हें पता है कि कौन से लाइन पे रखना है. जैसे ये बी हो गया, बेस बी और सी, और तुम्हें क्या करना है, कौन से एंगल पे तुम लोग प्रोटेक्टर रखोगे. यू विल कीप योर प्रोटेक्टर एट ऑन बी. तो ये जो सेंटर पॉइंट है प्रोटेक्टर का, दैट यू प्लेस ओवर हियर. And 70 is which angle?
100.
70.
100.
70 degree means which angle, which type of angle?
It's acute.
It's a acute angle, right? So acute angle है when you place on B your protector का ये, can you see the center point? अगर ये center point B पे रखोगे and then you have to see this side 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and you will जहाँ पे भी तुम्हारा 70 आएगा there you have to put a dot and after with the help of scale you have to
Miss-
join it and then here you have to write. Yes, you have to write here 70 degree and label this angle A, B, C. So this way we are making it's a 70 degree angle. Okay, समझ में आया?
Miss, can I show you?
No, that you have to show me when the exercise is there. No, that exercise you have to solve. You have to send me your homework on a WhatsApp. Clear? Clear, three of you?
Miss, can I show you? Yes, teacher. Take this and
Yes, yes.
from this.
That's what Bhavya I'm saying कि right now you just understand. बाद में ये homework जो भी exercises में रहेगा कि make a angle of this
I
much
know.
degree. हाँ ना? So
I
oh,
know.
yeah. So you have to send me your homework. So this is the use of protector. Got it, three of you? So हम लोग a
Yes.
protector used to measure an angle and also draw an angle according to the given measure. जो भी measurement it will be given to you that you have to see and you have to make a angle. और angle को label कैसे करना है? How to keep the protector on a baseline and how to put a dot. वो तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा? Now you know the measurement. अभी 70 है तो 70 आप acute दूसरे साइड से नहीं कर सकते ना, इस साइड से लोगे तो तुम्हारा क्या आ जाएगा? वो obtuse angle आ जाएगा, right? So this way you have to take and see 70 is given, oh it's a acute. If it is given 130 then you can say it is obtuse. तो ये उस साइड जाना चाहिए. So this way you can make an angle. The division of 0, 10, 20, 30, 180 are marked anti-clockwise from the right to left. Can you see right to left this way? Then above other side, upper side, can you see again 0, 10, 20? So this is what कि you should know कि कौन सा acute है, कौन सा obtuse है, कौन सा right angle है. The center of the circle of which protector is half part is called center of protector. Can you see here? जो protector is divided into there is a one line. Can you see on 90 degree एक straight line है तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? It is called, yeah. So this is called as a center of protector. जो एक like it is like look like a sun rays जा रही है and there you see a center of point that is called as a center of protector. A diameter of that circle is baseline and line of reference of protector. Now see, this way only I have shown you. Yes, ABC, how to form a ABC. Yes. First you have to draw.
Yes.
You have to draw a baseline BC. Then you have to see which angle. Abhi, can you tell me what is the measurement of ABC angle here? Yes.
So 70 degree, less than 90 degree. 70 degrees.
The first is 40 degrees.
Very good,
And
Kedar. It's a 40 degree dear. ये दिख रहा है where it is going 40 degree और angle को देख के you come to know that कि it is a acute angle तो ये less than 90 degree है and it coinciding at a 40 degree so it is a acute angle और इसका measurement कितना हुआ है 40 degree. Clear? Ali, clear?
Yes.
Now next. At such times protector at side extend. अगर वहीं तक हमें लाइन नहीं करनी है हम लोग लाइन को एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हैं. Line extend when you if you extend the line it doesn't mean कि तुम्हारा measurement अलग हो गया. you can extend the line. Okay, can you see now how the line extended A, B, C? Okay, so we can see it properly, right? कोई भी एंगल रहेगा, चाहे वो अपसाइड डाउन रहे, तो भी हम प्रोटेक्टर से उसको मेजर कर सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो एकदम स्ट्रेट ही हो, हमें प्रोटेक्टर रखने को आना चाहिए, राइट? Can you see here 90 degree, 50 degree, 105 degree and 55 degree? Yes. Now how you will measure this? Can you see your problem set 25? How you will measure these angles? Measure the angles given below and write the measure in the given boxes. If right now you are having a protector, so please measure and let me know what is the angle of this pole.
तो मेरे पास अभी प्रोटेक्टर नहीं है.
Okay, no issue. You do as a homework and send me on WhatsApp. Okay. Next, Bhavya, Kedar, if you are having, measure it and let me know what is the angle, measure of these angles.
So first angle is ABC.
No, here you don't have to name. You just have to
And-
tell me the measurement of this angle. इनका कितना degree measurement आ रहा है, that you have to tell me.
अच्छा मेरे पास अभी प्रोजेक्टर नहीं है.
Projector नहीं, it is called as a protector. So Bhavya, you are having, no, you tell me. Bhavya lost, I think so. Bolo. Bhavya, measure this angle in your textbook and tell me what is the measure of this angle, first angle.
Yeah, I can find a projector and I can first is a 40 degrees
Okay.
and second 120 degrees
Okay.
and third 90 degrees
Okay.
and fourth is 75 degrees.
Excellent, dear. Hope so all will be getting this way, okay? Because right now I don't have protector, I cannot measure and tell you. But it, like the way he said, it seems it is correct, right? Because हमें angles देख के पता चल जाता है कि this is 40 degree, 120, 90.